In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom script to your client portals using Google Tag Manager. This feature requires that you have an agency plan and you've set up a custom domain. So we're going to go to your profile settings, and you'll find in your agency details there's a field for GTM code. GTM stands for Google Tag Manager, and it's a free product from Google that lets you put a single script into your website that then serves as a container for all your other scripts. So rather than managing your scripts in AhSuite, you manage them in this Tag Manager product, which is built for that purpose. We're going to go to Tag Manager now, and we're going to create an account. Give it a name. You can name your container and choose Web as the target platform. And then you have to agree to their terms. And here you are. You don't even need to copy this code. You're just going to grab your container ID, which is there at the top. And that's what you're going to put into that GTM code field and update your profile to save it. And there it is. Now GTM is on your client portal. It's on your profile and on the portals that your clients will visit. If you want to verify, you can go to one of your client portals and view the source, and you will see that Tag Manager is now in the code on your client portal. Now that you've added Tag Manager to your client portal, you can use it to insert custom scripts. So I've got one queued up here. This is a chat widget from HubSpot, and I'm going to show you how to add it. First, I copy the script that I want to add. Then I go to GTM, and I'm going to create a new tag. Give it a name. Then when you go to configure the tag, you'll see you have some template options, or you can actually go to a library of different templates that people have created. But I'm going to add this one as a custom HTML, and I just drop it there. Then I go to triggering. Now you can have the tag fire on all pages, or you can get really fancy with it. I'm going to set a condition that it'll only appear on pages that have the client name in the URL, because you might notice that on your client portals there's a parameter at the end that has the client name in it. So I'm going to say that the URL must contain the client name, which in this case is demo client. You don't have to do it this way, but I'm just showing you how it could be done. So we're going to save it again, and then you have to submit it, and that will publish the new container. Now we're going to check the client portal in a different browser to make sure it worked, and here it is. You can add all kinds of tags and widgets to your client portals using Google Tag Manager. So check it out, and if you have any questions, you can always reach me through the chat widget in the website.
AhSuite!